understanding subject and object, and after identifying, I think you're clear with these? Yes. And if you still not are, don't worry, we will practice more. Now in this short and crisp session, I'll be telling you about how sounds are formed in English. It's like a revision for us. Now in English, we know we have covered the part of alphabet. The whole alphabet series is A to Z. Of course we know that. Yeah, I know. So in alphabet, we have the division vowels and consonants, or vowels and consonants. Vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Consonants are all others 21 alphabet or letters in a whole series of alphabet are consonants. Now in vowel and consonants, how sounds are formed. These are like the songs and rhymes. So for that, we have to understand what sound each letter in alphabet series is giving us. So vowels are giving us the sound of a, e, o, o, a. All of these sounds we are getting out of vowels. Now vowels alone cannot do anything. Always remember that. Yes, we need consonants to form the whole word. We need both vowels and consonants to form the whole word. You cannot form a word simply by K, P, L. No. And you cannot form a word simply by A, I, U. Yeah. So you need both. And the combination of both forms the sound. Once you understand vowel sounds, the sounds like a, e, o, o. Yeah. All these sounds once you understand, after that you need to understand the consonant sound. Okay. I have, for example, I have this ring on my finger. So this ring starts from R. What is the sound it's giving? R, R sound, right? And after that, I added a vowel I, which gave me a small E sound. That's how my whole R formed, right? Like for example, cat. C is giving the sound of K, A is giving the sound of A, and then we have T that is giving the sound of T. I know we all know that it is just to understand proper rhyming of the words. Whenever you see a word and you get confused about the pronunciation and the rhyming, it mainly happens because we are not able to identify proper sounds. I know sometimes it may get confusing, right? C is also forming the sound of Ka, and C is also forming the sound of Sa sometimes. K, CH is also forming the sound of Cha, and then Ka again sometimes. It may get confusing, right? Don't worry. It is simple. We just need to understand it by understanding some words and spellings clearly. This is just to understand how words are rhymed and formed. I will clear your confusion about cha, ka, sa, c, s, ch, k, all of that in the next session. Till then, just practice everything and have fun with words. Oh, I have a hand. H, then A, N, D. Have fun with all the easy and typical and hard words that you can find. Make rhymes with it. Cat, bat, red. And you will understand how pronunciation is formed. I will teach you proper pronunciation in the upcoming sessions. Till then, take care.